This message is for Starseeds who are ready to hear this message. It's not going to be an easy message to hear, but in the deepest levels of your soul, you've already known. And many in the collective are able to pick this up right now, but Starseeds in particular, I'm talking to you. If you feel like something even more intense than what we've been experiencing as a collective is going to happen, you're right. The bifurcation that we've been experiencing on our collective timeline has been very intense and very vast. And I'm telling you, it's actually going to get even deeper. And this bifurcation is going to be even more dramatic between those who are in victimhood and those who are claiming their sovereignty. And this message is for the Starseeds who are claiming their sovereignty now. Everything is shifting. Everything on this planet, everything you've known, everything you thought was safe, it is all shifting. And the majority of the collective is going to be choosing the victimhood route. And that is one specific timeline. The others are going to be choosing their sovereignty no matter what. They know there's no plan B. They know that everything they've created up until this point has been of their own creation. And they are choosing what they get to experience, what they get to claim, and to be in the embodiment and the fullness of who they are. They are committed to their expansion. Those who are choosing their sovereignty will be having an even greater opportunity to choose that right now. And especially if you are a Starseed, that means upgrading into your multi-dimensional body, because that is what it's going to take. Because what we are going to be experiencing in the next coming months and just basically in the future is going to really put you into a place where you will choose your sovereignty over and over and over. And this is really about your connection to God and your connection to yourself and allowing yourself to be in the expansiveness of that energy. In fact, when I was given the information, when I received the downloads that I am to help activate those codes of Starseeds to transform from their human form into their new star form, I was told that it is because our star brothers and sisters are going to be visiting us in a more visual way. So our star brothers and sisters were already here. They're already in the earth. They're already connecting with us Starseeds. But there will come a time where our star brothers and sisters will be showing up in a very visual, physical way, and no one will be able to negate their presence ever. Most Starseeds already know about this and are excited about it. However, one thing that we do not really understand is that when this actually occurs, it will be a very powerful, even supercharged moment for all of humanity, because our star brothers and sisters carry very high level codes of light. And those of us who have not been able to upgrade ourselves multidimensionally are going to have a very difficult time. However, if you allow yourself to multidimensionally upgrade, you will receive the required codes needed to approach this from a God-centered, heart-opened place versus victimhood, this is happening to us kind of mentality. It is no coincidence that ever since I got the intel and the download to do this work, to open up this portal for us Starseeds on this planet to upgrade into this new star form that is just coming in now into the planet, that I've been seeing a lot more orbs. And in fact, I saw one, it was a Pleiadian light ship that came in during the daytime. It was very powerful. Stacy was the one who pointed it out to me. And I've also been getting a lot of intel about what is to be covered in this 7-day activation portal. I'm not sharing this to scare you, to be a fearmongerer, to be a conspiracy theorist, because the reality is that it's not a conspiracy, it's reality. And the faster you get onto that understanding, the faster you can then equip yourself with what we get to experience in the road ahead, because it's going to get more intense. And if you want to do something about it, because I'm getting a lot of questions saying, Margarita, what can I do about this? Upgrade yourself, empower yourself, and upgrade your physical, emotional, energetic, multidimensional body so that you can be better prepared to handle everything that is going to be coming down the pipeline. And for this exact reason, because I received this download that this was required for all starseeds everywhere. I am offering this portal called Activate Your New Star Human Embodiment. It begins this Monday with the first day of human upgrade into New Star Human upgrade. It's going to be very powerful. I'm literally downloading it as it comes in, and I'm recording it on a video, and I'm sending it to those who have entered the portal. And so I invite you to join us if this is something that you want to empower yourself as a sovereign starseed being. Comment with the word for embody, one word, and I'll join you there in the portal.